hold on for my love.
24 hours later.
This presentation is geared to showcase the hardship, sacrifices, and dedication to the event organizers. This is not to malign any individual, private organizations, or government institutions, but to share one's experience during the event.
Time natin is 3:10 ng hapon. So hanggang 5 o'clock tayo.
15 minutes siguro na kanina pa naman kami nag-uusap-usap pa sa likod. Can we have a break first?
Yes, I think
I won't for 15.
To report the insights of the club presidents.
This is a very serious time. This is history in the making, by the way. And before I share the report of the congressman's group, incidentally, I was supposed to be secretary. I was the one writing down the
set of Magna Carta. Excuse, Kuya, we acknowledge the arrival of Kuya Rob from Netherlands. And I think white. Bob June.
Yes, welcome Kuya Rob Kankeler from Netherlands. And also his wife, Ate Joanna Waringa. Please, at the front. Yes, Rob at Kuya Siner. Ate Waringa also. Yeah. Palakpakan natin ang ating kuya, ang ate from Netherlands. Kuya Rob Kankeler and Ate Johanna Astrid Waringa. Hello.
First time in the Philippines. And she will help us also to make the Eagles very important for people who need help in Europe. We do it together. I cannot do it alone. We do it together with my wife and also my other friends, like Shirley, Anna Mangubat, Joven Monias, and so my son, Rodrigo Navarro is there. I cannot do it alone. We do it together. And that is our plan. That's the future for the Eagles. In the Netherlands, we provide European group for ships on the rivers. They're sailing on the rivers in Europe. Since March, I've been part of the Eagle family. Because Eagles is a family, not a group, not an organization, but it's a family. Every Filipino guy who works with us, the DSA Maritime, belong to the DSA family, but also the Eagles. I'm also proud to be a part of this one, especially for the guys who helped me with this one. Because 8 years ago, I started with a company in the Netherlands, and I cannot do it alone. I'm really growing and growing. We have a lot of crew members, they sailing all of the ships, and also thankful to the guys who go before the names. What we're doing, and that is really important, we give the Filipino guys a chance to earn money, to get a good salary. We have a good job in Europe. And that is what we do and what we try to do our best to give the opportunity, but also for the families. They can now provide for the families. And what they do for the families, that is for us really important, because they provide for the families, but in Europe is that not normally. We can learn from that one. The Filipino guys, they
from different regions to our Sec Gen and our National Treasurer, once again, a pleasant good afternoon. Okay. Today, I am excited to share our findings with you all. Let's dive in and explore the insights that will shape our future endeavors. Let me just read to you our detailed insights, ideas.
We have a proposal to be a part of our new Magna Carta called that framework. Yes. Number one.
This is a good step. At least may isa, dalawa na tayong step. No? So, and then to create more camaraderie and relationship between each
concept since time immemorial. That's why I've been telling you yesterday and even before that my policy leadership is consultative and participatory. As I told you also, I can on my own prepare documents, suggest Magna Carta, but that is not the essence. Magna Carta or structure.
The first international convention. Tonight, may I request that we all stand up and honor this night with due respect for the entry of dignitaries, starting with our Gong and Gable. Kalayaan Nice Eagle Club, Metro Manila South Region. Eagles James Rial, Club President, Supremos Cavaliers Eagles Club, Metro Manila South Region. Simanda. International Ambassador Eagle Aaron Mangua. International Ambassador Eagle Sheller Anus. International Treasurer Eagle Carlos Orlando. The chairman for Eagles International Affairs, Eagle Rob Honkeler. Chairman for Lady Eagles International Affair, Lady Eagle Johanna Diana Ashley Juaniga. International Secretary General Eagle Euphonio Sualino Jr. International Executive Vice President for the International Fraternal Order of Eagles, Eagle Year 2025, Eagle Gary Mayor. The International President for the International Fraternal Order of Eagles. Please welcome Eagle Adoni Orlando Salabanda Jr. No other than Eagle Gilbert Sinadal. Please welcome the CEO of Apple One Group to represent Miss Samantha Maniksaka. Please welcome the CEO of Broadway Shipping, Mayor Joy Roble.
Order.
Our dignitaries seated on the presidential table, and all the governors, the presidents, na Kuya Anati, sa lahat ng mga visitors, and also our Kuya from
because eagles live and serve to strong brotherhood. Friendship, because eagles are friends to all people. Then lastly, but not the least, love of our country, and above all, love of God. Deo et Patria.
For strength and hope, integrity, let our hearts be proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly.
To national officers, regional officers, and members. Okay? Sounds. Rego Manigsaka, represented by his daughter, Samantha Manigsaka. President and CEO, Apple Group. Chairman of the Board, Benry Group of Companies.
Ang haba ng introduction, mas mahaba pa sa speech. Hirap pala, kailangan pala mag-Tagalog, no? Akala ko puro Bisaya. Anyways, maayong gabi sa tanan, or good evening. I am deeply honored to speak here in front of you as I represent my dad, Mr. Rego Manigsaka. And I'm honored to call him my big boss, our president and CEO of the Apple One Group and the Benry Group of Companies. As mentioned earlier, we are the proud developers, owner-developers of the Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort, the upcoming JW Marriott Mactan in Panglao, the upcoming Radisson Blu in Cagayan de Oro, and we're across different industries as well, as mentioned earlier, in healthcare, and in real estate and energy, our latest venture.
Let us proceed with the next, for the
to our Eagle President, International Fraternal Orders of Eagles, Kumpare Atty. June Salantanri. To the officers and members of the International Fraternal Orders of Eagles, guests, friends, mga kuya o ate, maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Good evening, everyone. Before I proceed my speech, allow me to say the relationship with Atty. John Salantanri. I was given the task, a short notice, but I am a very obedient person because this is my long compadre. Bisan pa sa una, ang iyang kaso, kuyaw kayo, kay makikira, naagyapon ko siyang kiliran. During the time at the height of the case of the claim. That's how
Mayor Joy Roble. Yung sinabi niya kanina na tayo'y tutulong, I am also a witness to that. He's a great man who wishes to really help, and it is our pleasure to have him with us. And because of that, please allow me to call our Secretary General to read the rest of
Ireland Social Civic Organization Service to Strong Brotherhood. Central Visayas International Eagles Region, Resolution number 002, Series of 2025. A resolution endorsing Jose Emery Pulachi Roble and Samantha Manigsaka, President and CEO of Apple One Group of Company, and Jose Emery Pulachi Roble, President and CEO of Roble Shipping Company, as guest of honor and speaker during the first International Convention on July 27, 2025 at Golden Peak Hotel, Cebu City. Whereas, during a formal gathering of the club, there is an inherent need to select a guest of honor speaker to grace the occasion and provide to the members. Whereas, in one of the board meetings of the club, a motion to invite and request Honorable Ray Go Manigsaka of Cebu City and Jose Emery Pulachi Roble, and also of Cebu City, as guest of honor speaker was strongly endorsed and duly accepted by the body. Whereas Ray Go Manigsaka and Jose Emery Pulachi Roble of Cebu City was duly informed of the club's request and was briefed on the activities and trust of the International Fraternal Order of Eagles in general and of Central Visayas International Region in particular. Whereas the club offered Ray Go Manigsaka and Jose Emery Pulachi Roble of Cebu City the privilege to be endorsed by the club as an honorary member, Eagle on site of Central Visayas International Eagles Region, which the latter duly accepted. Now, therefore, upon the motion of Eagle Bidjo Daraman and duly seconded by Eagle Joharni Bindoy, it was resolved and it is hereby resolved to strongly endorse for the approval of the International President Eagle Attorney Orlando Manigsaka as International President of Fraternal Order of Eagles to introduce and to be honorary member, honorary Ray Go Manigsaka and Jose Emery Pulachi Roble as Eagle on site of Central Visayas International Eagles Region. Motion duly approved. Adopted this 27th day of July 2025. Certified correct. Eagle Gilbert A. Sibandal, Regional Governor, Central Visayas Region, Eagle Year 2025. Approved. Eagle Attorney Orlando Salazar Jr., International President, Eagle Year 2025, assisted by Eagle Eupronio M. Somalinog Jr., International Secretary General, Eagle 2025. Please stand, everybody. Mga kuya natin.
By the power vested in me as the President of International Fraternal Order of Eagles, I now declare Kumpare Joy Roble and my niece Samantha as honorary members of the region here in Cebu City.
Divine power. They form the very foundation that gives strength and dynamism to eagleism. First small candle. This candle symbolizes brotherhood. Eagleism is more than mere civic organization. Second, small candle. This candle symbolizes service. The Philippine Eagles shall seek and provide humanitarian service, usefulness, destiny in Philippines as well as in other countries, care to benefit primarily the needy. They are strongly committed to render personal service for the betterment of the community.
Service.
Third, small candle. This candle symbolizes unity. The Philippine Eagles are committed to unite their members and resources in doing and practicing what they hereby strongly set and desire. Unity within is driving the force that propels the Eagles to be ever enduring, ever pursuing, and ever achieving. Represented by Kuya Alito Habub.
Unity.
Unity and the people in our desire to achieve our goals.
Divine power.
Represented by Kuya Philip Tomaro. Samantha Maligsaka, an Honorable Joy Rubli of Rubli City Company. And also, may I request our International President, Kuya Attorney Orlando Salante, to be at the floor for the induction of honorary member, assisted by all national officers.
I am an eagle. Let me swim across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and power in
Samantha and Joy, we are really happy that you have opened the gate to our friendship and camaraderie for Eagles. So we will be conferring to you the title as honorary member, but you will be enjoying the same rights and privileges of the regular member. I think if you are that busy, your advices are more than enough. Your support and inspiration can greatly encourage our members. So, will you be alright for this? Will you please raise your right hand? Repeat after me. I state your name.
Jose Emre Roblet.
After having been admitted as bona fide member
of
the International Fraternal Order of Eagles, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge my duties and responsibilities as a member. That I shall obey, defend and uphold the the Constitution and Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules and regulations that may be enacted, prescribed, and promulgated by its duly constituted authorities. That I shall likewise adhere to the principles and fundamentals of egoism that extols the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. That I shall impose upon myself the duty to defend and uphold the eagle's delicacies and the moral code of ethics as my supreme guiding principle in serving mankind. That always I shall impose upon myself as my personal commitment and obligation to serve through strong brotherhood without mental reservation nor purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Okay, congratulations, Kuya Joy Roble and Ate Samantha Baligsaka. Let's welcome our new Kuya and Ate. Shake hands. Congratulations to Uli Hachi.
Makahikap kita ni Ma'am Samantha. Balik ako yan. Para pas doon.
Philippine Eagles Incorporated, the first international Philippine-born fraternal social civic organization, service and strong brotherhood. The first international convention plaque of recognition will be given to the following people, and allow me to first read the citation. For his faith in God, love of country and mankind, he is an epitome of humility, kindness, and true sense of humanity. He had already made wonders in life, in the community, and in our country in terms of professional and entrepreneurial achievements. And yet, he remarkably looks back and serves as a channel of blessing, especially to the less privileged. In sum, he had reached so far in his life, and yet he is able to graciously retain his feet on the ground, worthy of emulation. Given this 27th day of July, year of the Lord 2025, at the Golden Peak Hotel and Suites, Cebu City, signed by our international President Eagle Year 2025, Eagle Attorney Orlando M. Salatandre Jr., and co-signed by the International Secretary General, Eagle Euphonio Sumalino Jr. This plaque of appreciation is given to no other than the President and CEO of Apple One Properties Incorporated, Rego Manigsaka, represented by Samantha, Lady Eagle Samantha Manigsaka. This plaque of recognition with the same citation is given this 27th day of July in the year of the Lord 2025 at Golden Peak Hotel and Suites, Cebu City as our guest of honor and speaker. Please give a round of applause to the CEO of Roble Shipping, Honorable Joy Roble. Congratulations to our Eagle on side, our two distinguished guests of honor and speaker, Eagle Joy Roble and Lady Eagle Samantha Manigsaka. For the induction of our other officers for tonight, I'd like to give the microphone to
as my supreme guiding principle in serving mankind. Not only as an imposed upon myself, as my personal commitment and obligation to serve those strong brotherhood without mental reservation nor purpose obligation. So help me God. Congratulations.
Mandawi Eagles Club, soon to be chartered this month or this month. So, welcome Kuya from...
Of course, the group from Zamboanga del Norte, Misamis Occidental, saying, no, concept that the unity amidst diversity. Of course, Eagles community, we come from different walks of life. Now, there are great of us in our endeavor, but we have one uncommon denomination, and that is service. So we don't consider here, of course, the greatness of our title, like that, our achievements. No, that should not be a barrier to our unity. Again, I would like to cite the concept of President Arroyo, Capagal Arroyo. According to her, let us break the wall that divides us. Second, according to the old Marcos, let us all remove barriers to unity. Pope John Paul, when he came here, he also said, let us build bridges to each other. Pero may isa joke na lang to. Sabi ng security guard, sir, meron din ako. Ano yan? No ID.
No ID. No entry.
Oh, so, I am so confident with God's blessing, He will allow us to continue. He will grant our petitions and desires. Service to the less privileged is never a crime. It's never a mistake. But that is glorified always. Because the Bible is very clear. It says, what you have done to the least of my people, you are doing it unto me. Kaya hindi tayo nagkamali dyan. Then, we are blessed. Tayo, blessed na tayo eh. Doon tayo lahat. And we are blessed to be a blessing to others. Ganyan. God did not bless you for yourselves only. But purposely, God bless us to serve as channel of blessing. As we go home tonight, and we go back to respective places tomorrow, please bring with you that message. Service to mankind, service to humanity is service to God. Prayers inside the church, according to one pastor, are only 50%. What is the other 50? That is service to mankind. Again, service to mankind is service to God. Kindness. Do not be worried. Some of your time and talents are spent outside. That's what I've said. Kindness once shared will find its way back to you. Babalik din yan. Take note, as we go out, no? Before, mga strugglers tayo, people inspired us. Ako, personally, hirap ng buhay. Kami mention, kanina, Samantha. No, but a lot of people inspired me along my way. This time, that it is already my prime time also. I do not find any reason not to inspire others. My little experience in leadership, bigay ko na to kaysa itago ko to. Then a little of my time, talent, no? And resources. So I know that we sing the same tune. And we have same thoughts. Please bring the message to your respective community. Tell them that if they do not have the video to help people, join us in the Fraternal Order of Eagles. Let us work together. Let us serve together. Let us inspire people out there. So again, sabi ng iba, kailan ba natin gawin yan? Dapat ngayon yan. Don't wait for tomorrow. to anyone be, let me do it now. Let me not defer nor neglect it, for I shall not pass this way again. If you are looking for the best time, this is the best time. We do not wait for opportunity. In management, we create opportunity. Find time in your place. Now try to pause and reflect. Let's work hard. Someday, International Fraternal Order of Eagles will be greater than ever. Mabuhay na nila! Thank you very much.
Once again, a round of applause, please.
I want to thank you all for support. The guys who want to support me in the Netherlands for the International Eagles. I want to thank you for being here, your guest tonight. I want to thank also my friends, my Koyas, who work with me together in the Netherlands. I want to thank you all. And I wish you all the best. Also, the International Eagles in the Netherlands for the future. We do our best. I do it together with my wife and my friends, and also the guys who are coming with the future to us, to our company. And let's see, for the better future for all of us, and also for the children. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now,
ang tayo as Committee on International Fraternal Order of Eagles events. Next, this international appointment is hereby given to Lady Eagle Adelaide Tubigon as Lady Eagle International Advisor. International appointment is hereby given to Eagle Rayfo Quilon as Presidential Chief of Staff. This international appointment is given to Eagle Joven Orneas as International Advisor for International Affairs. This international appointment is given to Theodore Rico L. Toledo as the Supreme Chancellor. This international appointment is given to J.H. Hapay as our international Comelec chairman. We would like to call our IP, our president, for the appointment.
Kuya Rob. Okay, mga kuya and ate, Aztec. Perfect. I know that you're already aware of of our mission, our duties and responsibilities. And equally, you know that the IAFOE has the trust and confidence in you, making it as a reason to appoint you as officers in your respective position of the organization. Will you please raise your right hand and repeat after me? State your name. After having been appointed as state your position of the International Fraternal Order of Eagles, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge my duties and responsibilities in the order to the best of my knowledge and ability. That I shall obey, defend and uphold the Constitution and Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules and regulations that shall be enacted, prescribed by its duly constituted authority. That I shall likewise adhere to the principles and fundamentals of egoism that extols the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. That I shall impose upon myself the duties and responsibilities of every eagle, and shall at all times uphold the eagle's delicacy and the moral code of ethics as my supreme guiding principle in serving mankind. That all this I shall impose upon myself as my personal commitment and obligation to serve through strong brotherhood without mental reservation nor purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Art Abatayo. If your name was mentioned, kindly approach, join our fellow Kuya here in front of the stage. Regional Congressman Eagle Victor Corvera. Regional Congressman Eagle Paul Calledo. Eagle Congressman Dennis Bago. Regional Advisor Eagle Edgar Katarungan. Community Service Chair.
So this is now reckoning time. You undress yourselves with other considerations in your mind and focus on our own day. Please raise your right hand. I state your name. After having been appointed as now, state your position of the International Fraternal Order of Eagles. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge my duties and responsibilities, and I will also obey the rules and regulations, Constitution and Magna Carta that may be constituted, that may be enacted by its duly constituted authorities, that may be enacted by its duly constituted authorities. That I shall likewise adhere to the principles and fundamentals of egoism that extols the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. That I shall impose upon myself the duties and responsibilities of every eagle, and shall at all times uphold the Eagles Delegation and the Magna Carta and the Code of Ethics as my supreme guiding principle in serving mankind. That I shall likewise adhere to my duty as my personal obligation and commitment to serve through strong brotherhood without mental reservation nor purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Eagle Attorney Orlando Salantandre Jr. and International Secretary General Eagle Infronio Sumalino Jr. With the same citation, this plaque of recognition is hereby given to the most handsome eagle, Eagle Juhardi Benoy. Yours truly. Wala ko kontra, aking mic. Wala ko mag-picture dyan.
Picture ka, video ko yan. Video.
Thank you very much. Nanay ko. With the same citation, Co-President of Metro Sumo Maharlika Eagles Club, James Orial. With the same citation earlier, this plaque of recognition is given to the chairman of the international. This plaque of recognition is presented to Eagle Carlos Ormento as the international treasurer. All the way from Mindanao, one of our incorporators. Treasurer, yeah, and incorporator. This plaque of recognition with the same citation is Vice President. We are happy. Congratulations, Paul. Plaque of recognition is presented to Eagle Joey Maniago as Club President of Cagsawa Sirana Eagles Club. With the same citation, this plaque of recognition is presented to our Senior Field Director for Visayas Region, Eagle Joey Maniago as Club President, Daisu River Eagles Club International. Plaque of recognition is presented to Eagle Junilo D. Cabasa as Club President for Bonifacio Spartans Eagles Club. Same plaque of recognition is hereby given to Eagle Mark Dennis Maghinay as Regional Governor, Northern. Mahagyo ko kahit tao na matulog din, natulog na ako, malipong sige yan ako. Mahagyo ko natulog kami. Plaque of recognition is presented to Eagle Ardo Manguba as International Ambassador. Grabe! Kati! Ingini! Most handsome. Kanina, ako, ano? The other handsome. All right. Oh, no one here. Oh, be careful. It is presented to Eagle Cheddar A. Anos is presented to Eagle Vince Ivan B. Real as Club President of the Grand Feather Eagles Club. The next plaque of recognition is given to Eagle Felix R. Villaflor as Club President of the Quincy Martinez Daraga Eagles Club. The next plaque of recognition is presented to Eagle Adrian Sulamon as the regional governor and current vice president for Luzon. Kuya Ed. Next plaque of recognition is hereby given to Eagle Luigi Bayotas as the club president for Kalayaan Knights Eagles Club. The plaque of recognition is hereby presented to Eagle Danilo Flores for the club president of Tipolo Eagles Club. The next plaque of recognition is hereby given to Eagle Victor Corvera as the Visayas Legend Eagles Club president. Wow, Victor. Next plaque of recognition is hereby presented to Eagle Rodel Doble as club president for Kamsur Haribon Eagles Club. Now we have a special award for the most outstanding Lady Eagle for Northern Mindanao Region International. No other than Lady Eagle Annalyn Tubigon. Palakpakan! With the same citations as earlier, plaque of recognition is hereby presented to Eagle Ariel Arieta as Field Director Albay Bicol Region. This plaque of recognition is hereby presented to the source of Baikal Guapuhan, the Regional Vice Governor, Eagle Joy Mendoy. The source of my handsomeness, ang aking minamahal na ama, na kuya ka ba? Ama na, kuya ba? Ama na mo. The next plaque of recognition is hereby given to Eagle Bernardo Redillas, which is the regional governor for Albay Bicol Region. This next plaque of recognition is hereby given to Lady Eagle Nelia Redillas as club president, UM Daraga Eagles Group. Plaque of recognition is presented to Eagle Chris Ingito as Deputy Secretary. The next plaque of recognition is presented to Eagle Roy Nico Ong as Club President, Rizal sa Pangdalaga Cross Border Eagles International Club. Next is this plaque of recognition to Lady Eagle Gemma Mayor as Ambassador for International Affairs.
I love you. Di ba? Nasaan ang puto? Check na lang yung isa kwan. Sige lang.
This next plaque of recognition is hereby given to Eagle Rogelio Lafortesa, Club President, Pinagsama Blasters Eagles Club, and Armani Golden Eagles. This award, this special award, is given as the most outstanding Lady Eagle for Metro Manila South Region, which is Lady Eagle a recognition is presented to Eagle Lito Navarro as Presidential Advisor. The next plaque of recognition is given to Eagle Ruben Caballero as Supreme Chancellor. We are men, are you men?
Sige, 1,
3.
Sa Manila, walang katapusan. Alright. We are ready to start with Pastor Jaime. Bishop Jaime. Alright. Next type of recognition is presented to Eagle Randy Espiritu as Regional Vice Governor of Alban Bicol Region. Now this award is also a special award to the most outstanding Eagles Club. Wow! Right here at Alban Bicol Region, no other than the Raga Eagles Club, represented by Club President. All guys, gusto nyo, para may iba naman. Ay, sino mag-representative? At least, makaano din sa stage. Alright! This plaque of recognition is given to Engineer Fernando A. Inting as the Chief Operating Officer of Light Shipping Corporation. To be represented by the son. Alright. The bunso is now also a kuya.
Wow! Camera. Okay, 1, 2.
Another special award is given as the most outstanding Lady Eagle in all of Albayan Bicol region. No other than Lady Eagle, Gemma Mayor. This special award is given as the most outstanding Eagles Club under the Central Visayas International Eagles Region. No other than Metro Subo Eagles Club.
The president.
Special award again is given to the most outstanding Eagles Club Northern Mindanao Region International Layawan River Eagles Club. MCWD. Alright, Most Outstanding Eagles Club of Metro Manila South Region, the Grand Feather Eagles Club. Also considered the most outstanding Eagles Club in the Central Visayas International Eagles Region, Visayas Legend Eagles Club. A part of the outstanding Eagles Club under the Metro Manila South Region, Fort Bonifacio Spartans Eagles Club. Being a part of the most outstanding Eagle member of the Central Visayas International Eagle Region, he is Golden Eagle Paul Gallego. Kuya Paul Gallego. In the hub. Most outstanding Eagles Club in Albay Eagle Region. The Albay Cagsawa Eagles Club. As most outstanding Eagles Club, Northern Mindanao Region International, Rizal Sampang-Malaga Eagles Club. As one of the most outstanding Eagles Club of the Northern Mindanao Region International, Raiso River Eagles Club. The public recognitions given to Alan Moncayo, Club President Orqueta City Capital Eagles Club. Alright, thank you. Palakpakan natin ang lahat ng Eagle Samuel Romulo Panilagaw. Eagle Nestor Dennis Bago. These are certificates that were not given from the last event. That's why we want to make sure that they're able to receive it today. Yes po, noong 5th day of July. Eagle Jacinto Adolfo Jr. Senior. Wala. Remember, we had an award to be given for the best region. Are you ready? Yeah. Our winner, the best region in all of the International Fraternal Order of Eagles. Are you ready? Ready. Parang wala na energy. Are you ready? The awardee is no other than Metro Manila South Region! Congratulations!
Ito po natanggapin ni Kuya Gob Sulagon yung award, ba't hindi kami ibibigay na cash prize ni VIP.
Okay. Kahit pa paano, pero nakita naman sa report, activities, kami mismo, witness din kami. So, mayroong doon, 5,000 para sa inyo. Okay. Please magamit ko yun, Okay? Ito.
Year 2020.
Kuya Pres.
Kuya Pres. Kuya James.
Mga club president. Yung lahat na ng ano? Delegates. Delegates ng Metro Manila South Region. Delegates.